If you've been searching for a free AI video generator that can create cinematic, high-quality videos without sign-up, watermark, or payment, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Veo AI free step-by-step. This tool lets you generate AI videos from text prompts, and the results can look absolutely amazing. First, open your browser. Now, in the search bar, type Veo AI free. Once the results appear, click on the correct website. And just like that, you're in. The good thing about this platform is that it's very easy to use, even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need to be an editor. You don't need advanced skills. And in many cases, you can start creating almost immediately. That's one of the reasons why tools like this are becoming very popular right now. Now, once you're on the website, take a moment to look around. You'll notice that Veo AI Free offers multiple features and tools depending on what you want to create. For example, you may see options related to text to video, image to video, AI scene generation, and in some versions, even tools inspired by advanced AI video models like Veo 3 style generation. This means you're not limited to just one kind of video. You can create cinematic scenes, short storytelling clips, realistic AI visuals, anime-style content, product ads, and social media videos. So before generating anything, it's a good idea to explore the features and understand what the platform offers. Now let's create something. Look for the button that says Generate Videos, or something similar like Text to Video. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll usually see a prompt box where you can type what kind of video you want the AI to create. And this is the most important part of the whole process, because the quality of your result depends a lot on the quality of your prompt. A prompt is simply a description of the video you want. For example, instead of writing something basic like a man walking, you should write something more detailed like a cinematic shot of a man walking through a rainy futuristic city at night, neon lights reflecting on the wet street, dramatic atmosphere, ultra-realistic, movie style, 4K. See the difference? The second prompt gives the AI much more detail, which usually leads to much better results. And the best part is, if you don't know how to write prompts, you can simply copy a good prompt from online examples, or from prompt libraries, and paste it directly into the platform. So yes, you can literally copy and paste a prompt and start generating videos right away. That makes it super beginner-friendly. Once you've pasted or written your prompt, go ahead and click the Generate button. Now the AI will start creating your video. Depending on the platform and traffic, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. While it's generating, remember this: not every result will be perfect on the first try. That's normal with AI video generation. Sometimes you'll need to adjust the wording, add more details, or try a slightly different prompt. The more specific and creative you are, the better your results can become. Now let me give you a few quick tips to get better AI videos with Veo AI Free. Tip number 1, be descriptive. Instead of short prompts, use detailed prompts with things like camera angle, lighting, mood, environment, and style. Tip number 2, use cinematic words. Words like cinematic, ultra-realistic, dramatic lighting, 4K, film style, epic can help improve the visual quality. Tip number 3, test different prompts. If one prompt doesn't give you a good result, don't stop there. Try another version. Tip number 4, create content for social media. This tool is great for making YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, AI storytelling videos, and faceless content. So if you're a content creator, this can save you a lot of time. So yeah, that's basically how to use Veo AI Free to generate AI videos. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and honestly a fun tool to experiment with if you want to create content fast. You can use it to make cinematic scenes, short films, AI edits, social media content, and much more. So if you want to try AI video creation without paying, this is definitely a tool worth checking out. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos about free AI tools, AI video generators, or content creation websites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.